Hello everyone, and then welcome to the continuation of our up-down candy house projects or game project. So this is what we're able to do now because of we didn't want to have a lengthy recording. Have to we didn't want to do add certain things, okay, like duplicating these things. You can just leave them here, and then in your own time, based on what I showed earlier in the demo video, you might want to duplicate and then just add things to customize it on your own. Okay, so now what we want to do here, let's see, we need to add our play button. Okay, so I'll go to our assets. I think it's called up then this one, click on open. You can drag and drop it inside. Okay, then I'm going to bring it in front, scale it. Okay, so I kind of like it this way. So to activate our project, we want this to, or for the game to start, we want the person to press on this before the game starts. So as I mentioned earlier, always look here, okay, if you want this exact sizing and then positioning of my assets. Okay, I think I need to bring this up. Take this up. Yeah, I think I need to take this one too. This position is okay. We forgot our killer. Okay, so with the killer, let's enlarge it. Scale it down. Going to bring it somewhere here, take it up. So this, when the user touches it, we can do when the user touches it, okay, then we'll play some game over sound or something like that. Okay, so I think this is the final size. So when I paused the video and then did some changes to some of the sizes, positioning, okay. So now let's bring our assets for these ones. Okay, so we have our assets. So multi-select by just holding shift and then clicking them. Then I'm going to scale them. Then let's bring them in front in the Z axis. And we can decide to separate them. Okay, they look too big, so just going to highlight all of them. And then I'll scale them down, reduce their size. I'll take them up. Okay, so I like them this way, just behind this. Okay, so remember we picked our confetti, which is the gift or gift confetti. So this is it. This is the name of my gift confetti. Now I need to check where it is and then okay, so it's behind it. I'm going to scale it. Okay, so I think I like it this way. So this is quite okay. I feel like bringing this up. So this is okay, and then let's see. In the next lesson, we'll animate them, okay, using the behavior properties. Okay, so thank you, and then I'll see you in the next lesson.